Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nkoya, aka Ndi Naija. Ja, ja, ja. Boom. Remember when I said that I needed more notebooks and you guys were like, no, you don't really need more notebooks. I am not going to comment on that. Gotcha. Okay, I got these notebooks from Amazon on Happy Planner. From Happy Planner on Amazon. I don't know. They're only available on Amazon. These are 8.5 by 11 plans and notes. So beautiful. And I was going to use these as my primary notebooks for my classes that I'm taking. I've told you guys that I'm taking classes every weekend for the foreseeable future. But in the spirit of adulting, being a reasonable adult, and not just getting things because they're pretty, they're partially useful, they're not 95% or 90% or even 80% useful, these are going to go back. So you might be thinking, why are you letting go of the pretty notebooks? You need them. I agree. However, I have found an alternative. Enter the Talia notebooks. Now, all of these may not be visible in the shot this way, so I'm turning them this way, because this is an 8.5 by 11 notebook. And the cover is like 9 point something by 11 point something, because it's 8.5 by 11. Yes, so it's probably 9.2 or 9.5 by 11.5, something like that, because the covers are wide enough to accept their tabs. So you might be thinking, well, why did you get this one then? How does this work any better than the Happy Planner? Well, first of all, it's cheaper. It's much cheaper. This poly cover is, I believe, $1.99. The discs, 1.5-inch discs, these discs are $3.49 for a set of 11. These covers are $1.99 for the 8.5 by 11, $1.49 for the one that's with 10 discs, and $1.29 for the one that's with 8 discs, or 99 cents. I haven't bought any of the smaller ones, so I don't remember. And this is the poly cover. I also have the premium cover. This is 8.5 by 11. On the website, they say that the names of these two colors are the same. Some are blue, but you can see that this one's got a lot more green in it, and this is more pale blue. I also got this grid sketch notepad because I have a lot of notes to write. Just from my class of this past weekend, I filled like half or so of a regular Happy Planner Happy Notes, which is the 9-disc, the medium size or the classic size. And I filled up just about half of that, and I wasn't writing in that notebook the whole day. Some of the time, I was actually writing in these. So how have I tried to duplicate what I have in the Happy Planner Happy Notes? Well, I will show you. Is this the front? This is the front. So this is such a beautiful cover, you guys. And because there's nothing on either side, I can use this side, I can use this side, doesn't really matter. So I found this calendar online for free, and I figured this gives me what I want in a vertical planner, in a vertical calendar, and it already has my weekends marked off, and I can just see the classes, the days I have class, like literally between, just I can see it here. By this time I should be done. And I believe I customized this a little bit, but I got it from calendarpedia.com. And again, like I said, it was free. I knew that I needed 8.5 by 11s because I have, this isn't even one class. I have tons of these printouts that I have to print, and I'm using them to study. Our study notes are in there because the class is online. The teacher is teaching from online. Apart from the textbook, there's nothing else to, you don't have anything else. So we were strongly encouraged to print out all the notes and all the manuals and everything. This particular one is reference material, so it's tables. We've got workshop solutions. I can't show you the interior of this material because it's copyrighted, but I have a ton of those. This particular notebook has initial thoughts and tips for this exam I'm taking. I have my Texas application and ethics such, and I have my NCES examinee guide. And there's something missing from here, but I'll put it there shortly. Then I have some graph paper, and then here in these, and I'm getting some more. This is the old one just for comparison, and I wanted to compare the discs with you guys. So excuse me for running off in just a little tangent here, but I need to put this away. So this is their classic size, if you will, or medium size, and it takes 10 discs, as you can see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I got this in 2020. And it's 10 discs. It's a nice size to write on compared to the classic size from Happy Planner. But really, it's all about your preference. Either one. If you don't have a lot of notes to write, you might as well take the Happy Planner. So this is the 1-inch, their 1-inch disc. This is their 1.25-inch discs, and these are their 1.5-inch discs. And I will put that like this for you guys to see and compare. So hopefully this makes a little more sense to you. 1 inch, 1.25 inches, and 1.5 inches. Oh, they numbered the discs on this one. They have numbers in here. Okay. So in here I have notes, right? So I have, this is our introduction, calculation, engineering economics. I forget what that is. And then this is all the stuff from what I did last week. So these are the notes from what I did last week. I printed these notes, like they're slides, right? So I printed them 2 to a page and back and front just to try and save some paper. But I have so much more to write. That was one class. This is part of one class, and there's a whole bunch more. So I decided that rather than spend, I think this was $36.99, and I had a 15% off coupon. Rather than spend that, doesn't it make sense to spend $2 plus $3.49, call it $4, so $6 and $4 for their tabs. That's $10. And if I were to buy this paper, which is also just $10, if I were to spend that $36.99 on this, I would have bought 4 sets of covers, 4 sets of discs, and 1 or 2 tabs. And they have 5 tabs per set. This is the first 2, the other 3 are there. In this medium size, you can see them all. There's a gray, there's a yellow, a blue, a green, and I think they call this energetic turquoise. This color is energetic turquoise. It's beautiful. I wonder why I haven't gotten this cover. So that's it, y'all. Me doing the responsible thing. So by the time you see this video, I would have returned these Happy Notes. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know if you have any questions on Talia products. I'll put the website right here so you can see and purchase if that's what will work for you. Because what I've been doing is I've been punching these and putting them in my notebooks so that I can record them and keep them for posterity. All right, y'all. Talk to you later. Bye.